The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a game changer. With its latest and greatest features, the S24 Ultra is poised to upend the iPhone 15 Pro Max's biggest upgrade. And we're here to tell you why. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge camera system, the S24 Ultra is a force to be reckoned with. Don't miss out on the next big thing in mobile technology. Get ready to be blown away by the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Don't forget to subscribe to get more news and tech trends and help me get 1,000 subs. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra could blow away iPhone 15 Pro Max's biggest upgrade, and here's why. An improved telephoto lens could be the key to Samsung's next flagship, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max tipped to get an improved telephoto lens when it arrives in another month or two. You may be wondering how Samsung plans to keep pace with next year's Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra release. After all, the dual telephoto lenses on the current Galaxy S23 Ultra are one of the big reasons we consider that device to be the best camera phone overall. The answer could come down to the S24 Ultra's 3x zoom camera, at least according to a prominent leaker. Ice Universe at Universes tweets that next year's flagship phone from Samsung will focus on improved performance for the 3x lens. I have full confidence that the Galaxy S24 Ultra has improved the performance of the 3x camera, which means that the image quality of 3x till 10x will bring a significant improvement, the leaker said. The answer is 3x. I have full confidence that the Galaxy S24 Ultra has improved the performance of the 3x camera, which means that the image quality of 3x till 10 will bring a significant improvement. That tweet could connect to a previous Galaxy S24 Ultra rumor, one that claimed the upcoming flagship would feature a 3x to 10x variable telephoto lens rather than the single 3x telephoto module. As a result, the camera module may be as much as 11% larger next year compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. That increase in size on the Galaxy S24 Ultra may come as a result of a 1-inch camera sensor which would be noticeably bigger than the 1/1.4 to 0.87-inch sensor that may be coming to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. All of these improvements are pointing towards a camera that can capture more light, which in turn improves the brightness and dynamic range of the final image. That plays its part in ensuring you end up with better quality photos. Let's check together Galaxy S24 Ultra's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Contrast that rumor with what we've heard about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Current Apple phones lag behind the Galaxy S23 lineup when it comes to zooming in on shots, so one persistent rumor tips Apple's upcoming Pro Max model to adopt a periscope-style lens that would reportedly deliver a 6x optical zoom. Not quite the 10x the Galaxy S23 Ultra can muster, but definitely an improvement on the 3x zoom that current iPhone 14 Pro models support. As for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, next year's phone is expected to feature a titanium body, matching a rumored improvement to the iPhone 15 Pro lineup. On top of those rumors, if Universe Ice is to be believed, the S24 will have the same 5,000 mAh battery seen in the S23 Ultra, but with potentially better charging speeds. Of course, we'll have to wait for the official S24 Ultra launch to confirm the specifics. But rumors are indicating that Samsung will likely push the camera to be the best in the next high-end flagship phone that is launched. This is all what we have for today's video. See you soon. Peace out.